Why is nobody talking about the Anunoebe tree? Anunoebe is like the king of all trees in Igbo land. People believe that it has strong powers. It is used by medicine men to make powerful charms and medicine. Interestingly, no birds ever sit on its branches. Anunoebe actually got its name because Anunu, which means bird in Igbo, and Ebe means never perching. Only powerful medicine men go near this tree. But before that, they have to make sacrifices to show respect. This particular tree grows far deep into the forest, away from anywhere people live. It has special leaves, roots, and barks. People say that it is so big that its leaves make huge shadows, stopping other trees from growing around it. No grass grows under the Anunoebe tree, and any bird that tries to perch on its branches dies instantly. Its leaves never fall to the ground. They fall on cobwebs at the top. Anything that is alive that touches the root of this tree dies instantly. That's why nothing else grows near it. The tree attracts strong, powerful medicine men who use its parts to make strong charms. Even when thunder strikes, Anunoebe never gets affected like other trees. People believe that its leaves, roots, and bark can cure serious diseases like leprosy and syphilis. But getting these parts is very difficult. It involves saying special words and offering a live rooster. Trying getting close to the tree without doing it the right way can be very dangerous. Before someone goes to the Anunoebe tree, they must ask a wise person called Dibia to know if it is the right time to go there. People believe that there is a special month when the spirits around Anunoebe goes away. That is the only safe time to collect its leaves and roots. It takes a very brave person to get the parts of this special tree called the King of Trees. Have you encountered the tree or seen it before? Tell me in the comment section if you think that this legend tree is real or just superstition.